Koyker over the years has used a number of different joystick styles, probably a total of 4 different styles over the years. And unfortunately, when you're buying replacement parts or have a joystick that breaks, the parts that they currently sell aren't compatible with any of the styles except the style they currently use, which is the one that we're looking at here. So you always want to make sure before you purchase any parts for a Koyker joystick that it matches what I'm going to show you in this video here. So this is the current joystick, 2-function. It's got a lockout tab, which is unique to this model. This lockout tab looks different than the ones on the other models. This is what the top of the joystick looks like. And then probably most important is to notice that it says NIMCO on the base here. Right there, it says NIMCO. And then also on the handle here, it also says NIMCO. So this is the current joystick style. And again, this is the 2-function joystick. This is the current Koyker joystick that is a 3-function one. It's basically exactly the same as far as the appearance of the 2-function one. The main difference is just that you've got your 3rd function here, which is controlled by the buttons. It's an electric third function. And then of course you have this short little pigtail here also, which is of course what plugs into the wiring harness for the 3rd function for the joystick. But everything else is the same. This 3rd function one also says NIMCO on the base, and then also on the handle here it also says NIMCO. One of the things to be aware of also is that when you're purchasing a new joystick, like if you're purchasing the complete joystick handle with the base, you want to make sure that this is what your cable ends look like. This end is the part that goes into the valve. This end, the one with the white balls on it, is the end that goes into the joystick itself. So these of course are for the 2 manual functions on the joystick. This is a replacement part for the joystick itself. This is what's called the joint ball pin, and it is only about 2 inches long, and it is a really common item to wear out on a joystick because it's basically what the joystick is pivoting on, and it's just really normal for it to wear out with normal use. And then it wears out. This is what's technically called the joint, and this is up inside the joystick base of the current style joystick, and it's just basically a triangular aluminum piece. And because this also is taking stress every time the joystick is used, it also tends to wear out over time.